Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name's Priscilla. Today I'm going to be doing a super quick unboxing. This is for a limited edition item that I found at fashionphile.com. It is a Louis Vuitton piece that I absolutely don't even know when this collection came out, but it came out, it came and it went, and I completely missed it. But one of the great things about buying pre-loved is that you can find stuff again. So I went ahead and I found it, and it had dropped 10%, so I decided to sell my Eva clutch, which I really loved. So I really hope that I don't regret this decision because I really love that bag. But I had that bag since 2011 and I used the heck out of it. I love it, everything, but this is kind of like that, at least in pictures. I haven't seen it in real life, so I went ahead and did that, and I took the plunge and I bought it. Let's just unbox this real quick. So I went ahead and I opened it, and I opened it backwards. I went ahead and I already opened that just to check that everything was intact, but some paper, and oh my gosh, and then you have the nice little papers. You got the Fashionphile file, and then you have the little, so the little sticker with the use is the new. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off, and there we go. And it came in the little Fashionphile dust bag. And let's see what this is. Okay. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? So this is the Louis Vuitton Felicie Lovely Birds collection, and of course it's in the monogram print. And I just thought it was so cute. Owls are my favorite. They're beautiful, and I absolutely love owls. So when I saw this, I thought it was kind of like my Eva clutch, and I just love monogram, and I love that there's no patina on it, so I don't have to worry about that. But it's so beautiful. I love it. And it's also brand new. The only thing that's missing are the inserts that this bag comes with, but that's not a big deal to me because it is fairly a small bag. So I'm just going to carry the items that I really need to carry. And then it comes with the little chain right here, and it is super cute. Has a Fashionphile tag, so once this tag is removed, then I have to keep it, no returns. But so beautiful, isn't it just gorgeous? But yeah, I don't think a lot is gonna fit in here. Let me grab a few items. So I went ahead and grabbed a few items, and so I grabbed this matte compact, put it in there. I love these icebreaker sours, so I'm gonna put them in there. I have a little wallet. Actually, I don't think this is gonna fit in there, so I think, yeah, pretty small. But I have another wallet that's like super flat, so I'm just gonna use that. And hold on, let me just put these two. So I'm gonna put my wallet on the back, my flat wallet, and then I'll just put this stuff inside. And there looks like there's still room to fit more stuff in there. I'm gonna have to be very selective with what I choose to put in here, what I choose to carry. Just because it's so limited amount of space, but I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's a nice little change from my Louis Vuitton Eva clutch, and so I'm really excited to wear it, and I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad that it's limited edition, and I got it for a really good price. I think, just to give you an idea, you see if it has the retail price on here so that you can see. Okay, so it doesn't have the retail price, but I believe it retails for $1,700. I mean, and then the price on it was $1,450, but then I got the discount because it was like marked down. So I ended up paying $1,160, which is not bad. And then I did the whole layaway program, so that helped a lot as well. If you ever want to buy something but you think it's going to get sold out or someone else is going to take it, they have a really good layaway program where you can you put a down payment and then you pay it off, and that's what I did with this one. The only downfall about that is that you really can't return it, and if you do return it, I think they charge you 10% layaway fee. So There's no fees if you decide to keep the item, but if you decide to return it or you don't end up making the payments, then they'll charge you like a 10% fee of the item. So just be careful with that. It's something to look into. It's something that if you're really sure that you're gonna love the item and keep it, or it's a risk. So I decided to take the risk from this one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, but I was like, if I don't like it, then that's okay. I'll return it and take the fee, but I really like it and I'm glad I got it. So that's it for my unboxing. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.